All right.
All right. Well, we're at Blue Lake. I think we told you all that we're going there.
Wait, this is a new video.
This is a new video?
Yeah, we're starting from the bottom now. We're here.
And we're at the top of this mountain by Blue Lake.
Woo!
What's funny
There's
about
the
this
lake.
place is we made a video about this location previously. So if you
Probably like a year ago.
Yeah, basically a year ago, probably like today. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out, like somewhere up in here. There's a link.
Up in here, up in here.
It's really cool.
But it's Sunday morning. Easy like Sunday morning. And we just did so many errands yesterday.
Way too many.
Bryce crushed it.
We woke up
in Nevada.
It's been 106 degrees outside. Not exaggerating. Grocery shopped. Got water.
Did all our laundry. Now Bryce is putting away his laundry. Way to go, Bryce.
Thank you. And then we ended up getting up here at 11:30 last night. Slept. It was cooler up here, so we actually slept okay.
Yeah, this is like 2 hours from Boise, so we had to drive up here.
And now it's Sunday, and we're going to go down to the lake once I finish doing all this stuff.
Yeah, we got some clothes to put away, camping stuff to deal with, all of our snacks that we just purchased at the grocery store to put away, dishes to do. It's going to be fun. But check this out. Boom. Our newest investment. This was $1.25 at Walmart, and it's a laundry bag. So we no longer have to just grab our laundry by the handfuls and try and run it into the laundromats.
Worth it? Unsure.
Bryce wasn't convinced.
Still debating.
I'm pretty sure it was worth $1. It's been a game changer so far.
That's a Snickers bar I can't buy. And would I rather a little fishnet laundry thing or a Snickers?
Probably a Snickers. This is another big Walmart purchase we just made, which we are very excited to try out today. I got one and Bryce wanted to copy me, so that's why we have two. Yeah. Alrighty, off we go. To the lake. I think it's going to be a nice lake day. What do you think, Bryce?
Yeah, I mean, it's beautiful. It's like 85 and sunny right now.
Can't really beat that.
It's dry heat. It's nice. Perfect swimming weather at an alpine lake.
There's like a gazillion little butterflies on this hike. Like we're just walking through like a million little mini butterflies. They're so cute and so pretty. Just like you, Bryce, you're so pretty. We have found a new wildflower. We have not seen this one before. Look at how pretty that is. I love it. Well, we're out of breath, but we blew these babies up.
That was a lot.
Yeah, that was a lot of work.
Jeez.
It's gonna be so worth it though. Once you get out there, trust me.
How was it out there, Katie?
Good. Really good. All right, that's enough fun at the lake. It's time to hike back up.
Okay, who has the better strategy to carry this?
This is Bryce's. Please turn to the side so we can see the full. Yeah, see how much that's sticking out?
Yeah, but that's fine. I'm just walking. But it's going to be hitting you in the back of the leg the whole time.
I don't think so.
All right, we're going to see.
Overall, pretty sure Bryce's strategy was the winner. But you know what? At least we each tried our own thing. It's important to stick with your guns, you know? Never give up. What do you think, Bryce?
I really agree with that. So we just went down to the lake. It's Monday after work. It was the same lake we were just at yesterday on Sunday, and floating around a little bit, took some cool drone footage, which you'll see in a few seconds. And then we came up to the van and we're back here about to make some dinner. So drone footage now.
We're having dinner with a view tonight. We baked some chicken. And we're in our awesome screen house, hanging out. Here comes our Bryce.
Hello, everybody.
Are you ready to rock and roll?
I am.
I'll go see what Bryce is doing. See if he misses me at all. Well,
Fell asleep for a second.
shoot.
It was pretty nice.
I'll bet. Not a bad spot to hammock on a Wednesday after work.
About it all. I'm tired.
You can take a little nap.
I can't. We have to go to a diner.
Oh,
Get a shake.
makes sense. We're pulling in.
Guy Fieri ate here.
Yeah, we're pretty sure Guy Fieri ate here.
No, we know he did.
Oh yeah, we know it. I tried to find the episode, but the Food
I
Network.
just need the picture of him, so.
Maybe they just have that there.
Maybe. Let's not hit the car, though, you know?
Good thinking. Wow, the windshield's so dirty.
Yeah, it is.
There it is. And there's Bryce.
Let's go do this thing.
Way to get after it. The menu is like ginormous. So it's gonna take a while to decide, I feel like.
Definitely.
That's a lot of options.
Holy cow.
Bryce was right, Guy Fieri did eat here. I got a BLT and fried mushrooms. Bryce got a burger the size of his head.
I have one tooth. How am I going to do it?
It happens. You got this. What you got?
Big shake. A lot of whipped cream on it.
Looks delicious.
Yeah, we're going to get after it.
And I got an ice cream potato, which y'all might remember from the state fair last year.
You have a nice chunk on yours.
Yeah.
It's not an actual potato,
How do you know?
even though it looks like it is.
How do you feel?
I'm literally about to pop. I do this thing that I overorder all the time.
You do it. Do that every
I get
single
really
time.
hungry, and then I see multiple things on the menu that I want,
So you just order them
and
all.
I just gotta get them. So,
Makes sense. Well, Bryce and I thought we were taking a nice 2-week break from van life, where we were gonna be in the van, but we decided to actually stay for 2 weeks in one place in Boise National Forest.
up in the mountains, next to a lake.
Awesome. We were gonna just chill out, not even make a video, just hang out, catch up on some time of us just hanging out together. However, we've been there for about 4 days and there's a forest fire in the distance, the Four Corners fire, and we were keeping an eye on it, watching online, making sure that we were safe where we were. But the fire's gotten a lot worse, and a forest firefighter just dropped by the van, let us know that they're evacuating the area that we're in. So we're heading out.
Yeah.
Cue this footage I just took of this cool cowgirl evacuating her cows. Boom. Dope, right? I mean, kind of crazy. Like, there's all these cows in this area that they're evacuating, lots of people that they're evacuating. It's a really beautiful area, and it's going to be such a bummer.
If it burns.
So sad. The fire was started by lightning, which is, I guess, good. It was natural causes, not just people like not putting out their campfires. But either way, we hate to see it. So I guess we're just gonna have to see where this adventure takes us.
And it was really nice temperature out there. It got down to like low 50s at night. Great sleeping weather in the van. And I think we're going back to Boise, maybe, I don't know. And it's like 100 degrees.
It's really hot in Boise, but would you rather be 100 degrees or on fire?
Is there a difference?
We're driving right into a double rainbow. What kind of good luck is that? All right, happy Saturday morning, everybody. We are on the Snake River and surprisingly are in a state we were not even expecting to go to this summer. Washington. Went here last summer and it was awesome.
It was really cool.
Yeah, now we're here again because we're on our way up to Coeur d'Alene. We beat the heat. No, we didn't. It's really hot, but we're out of the fire. Beat the fire. And we were supposed to stay up at Blue Lake in Boise National Forest for another week, but
that didn't happen.
best laid plans. Gonna spend the night at a harvest host tonight in Washington.
Yeah.
It's been a really long time.
Was in Washington.
Wow.
Yeah.
At the lavender farm. Best day
Here
of
we
my
go.
life. We've arrived.
We're at the harvest host.
Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us.
Open the door.
Yeah. Cool, huh? Some mountain views out there. Sunflower fields where you can pick your own sunflowers.
And fruit.
And they have peaches and they have corn and they have a whole thing with live music and snacks, and we're gonna go get some. Alright, so this is Bryce's peach. I'm cutting it up for him because he only has one front tooth. What do you think? Do you think this is going to be pretty good?
It's gonna be delicious. Look at this.
Okay.
Wow.
Time to go exploring. Bryce is bringing his peach. And I'm not just talking about me. And I'm bringing mine too. We're going to go walk around these fields. Because, I mean, it's just amazing here. Well, my peach is also very good. I think mine's better. Bryce thinks his is better. Who'da thunk, really? It was really juicy and really sweet.
It's hot.
It's really hot, but
Sweating.
it's beautiful. These are all the peach trees behind us.
Are these peach trees?
Yeah,
Are we sure?
or maybe they're apples.
They look like apples.
I'm pretty sure peaches probably look like apples. so
I'm
they're
not a
really-
farmer, but let's go check and see. These look like apples.
Yeah, but I mean, yeah, they're definitely apples.
This is an apple tree if I've ever seen
Those are
one.
apples. As I was saying, these are apple trees. They're really pretty though. And you can see our van right back there.
Over there.
Home sweet home for the night.
Sunflowers, Katie, apples.
We're pulling it.
Found the goats and the sheeps. Bah!
How goes it?
Hi.
Goats it.
Hello.
They want us to have snacks, but we don't want no snacks. Morning, Bryce.
Morning, world. We just woke up. We're still at the Harvest House, and now we're gonna go get. I'm probably gonna get a cinnamon roll.
A little breakfast.
Yeah, grab some breakfast. Who knows what that's gonna look like?
Well, since peaches are in season, I'm going all out. I got a peach pie a la mode for breakfast and a
And
peach
ice cream.
tea. That's what a la mode means.
I'm stupid.
And Bryce has a mocha and, of course, a cinnamon roll.
Yeah, but here's the thing. I'm not a huge fan of cream cheese frosting.
Yeah, but they let you have it without cream cheese
Yeah,
frosting.
so there's no frosting on this guy, but it's probably still gonna be delish.
Probably. There's also just literally chunks of peaches in my peach tea, which is pretty awesome, I'll say.
It's pretty awesome. I'll also say it.
You guys, this is so good. I'm living my best life. Like, wow. Amazing.